Today we have a new Whirlpool oven that is not baking as it should. Just got this brand new. We're asking for 350 degrees, and after half an hour, when we check the temperature, it was on the upper oven. We're coming in at 325 on all of these analogs. It should be at 350. So I'm going to do an adjustment, a digital adjustment, to increase the temperature by 25 degrees. So for temperature calibration, just make sure you stop the baking cycle by pressing cancel, and then keep pressing the settings button right here until you get to one that says temperature calibration, and then it says upper calibrate selected, and then we want to go up by 25 degrees, so we're going to go to upper calibration. It says press start, press 3 to increase. Okay, let's do that. We want to go up by 25 degrees. 3. Okay, I want to press it again, press it again, pressing 3 again, press it one more time, and that's 25. That's a 25 degree increase. And then I'll press start. Changes are saved. Okay, that's great. And we'll go ahead and test it. We'll set it for bake. This is on the upper oven, 350, and then we'll just check it again and see if it hits 350. Let me press start. Showing 330 degrees right now. Alright, just beep saying that it hit its target of 350 after calibration. Let's see if the analog ones say that too. Yeah, dead on. 350, 350, 350. So that's totally works. And this again was on a brand new oven that came out of the factory with a 25 degree deficit in the calibration. So now when we ask for 350, it actually does 350. Totally work. Lower oven calibration temperature on a brand new Whirlpool double oven. I did the upper one already, and I had to raise it by 25 degrees. So I'm going to check the lower one. So I'll go lower oven, bake, and it says 350. I'll press start, and then just give it about probably half an hour. Be smart. Probably it'll hit its desired temperature in about 15 minutes. We've got 3 analog thermometers, so I can make sure I get accurate result. So our oven says that it just hit its target of 350, but we'll check, and we may have to calibrate it, which is pretty easy to do. So we've got 3 analog ones going here, and they're all showing 300. So it's about 50 degrees off. Let's see how much we can tweak it to get a better reading. Yeah, they're all at 300. Okay. Let's see. So we're going to cancel that one. We're going to go to the settings button, press that until we get to calibration. There we go. Temperature calibration. So I hit it, I think, about 12 times. So just press 1 for lower calibration, or press start. Okay, we want lower. Yeah, so we're going to go upper calibration, press 1 for lower. Okay, we're going to press 1. Temperature calibration. Okay, lower calibrate, press 1 for upper. Okay, we want 1. Okay. Or press start. Okay, we're going to press start. Lower calibrate, selected. Okay, good. Let's see what it does now. Okay, now it's going to ask us how much do we want to calibrate. It says press 3 to increase, or 6 to decrease. We want to increase, so we're going to press 3. That's 5 degrees, press it again. That's 10 degrees, press it again. 15, press it again. 20, press it again. 25, press it again. 30, press it again. So it's going to give us 30 degrees. Let's see how that does. Okay, we're going to have to pick 30. That's as far as we can go. Alright, so I think we press start now. Press start. Okay, let's do that. Okay, changes are saved. Cool. So we're going to press bake for lower oven. So it's 350. We'll press start and we'll give it about 20 minutes, see how it does. Right now it's showing 325. Okay, so we calibrated the lower oven. It beeped thinking that it's at 350. Let's see what the analogs tell us. Yeah, so we're 350 on all three of them. That's cool. That one looks like it's just a tiny bit above 350. Probably 5 degrees. I'm going to see if I can go down by 5 degrees to really hit that calibration right. So I'll cancel, go settings, I'm going to keep pressing it until I get to temperature calibration, which again I think is about 12 clicks in, pressing this settings. So press 1 for lower. Okay, let's do that. Lower selected. Press 1 for upper. Okay, so I want to lower, so I'll press start. So it's saying you did select the lower one, and then it's going to give me a chance to tweak the temperature a little bit. Alright, and if I press 6, I can do a decrease. I'm going to go 6, and I just brought it down. That just brought it down from 30 degree change that I had previously. I tried to get 30 degrees higher than normal, which got me, instead of 350, got me about 355. By pressing 6, it let me decrease it by 5 degrees, which gives me now 25 degrees above what it was thinking before. So theoretically now it should be exactly at 350. So what I'll do now is press start, and changes are saved. That's great. I'm going to open the oven door, let it cool for a second, and then see if it'll hit its target. See if the oven calibration has worked. I wanted it to go down by 5 degrees, so I'm going to I let it cool off here for a second. I'm going to start. Oops, I'm sorry. You got to press lower oven, bake, 350, start, and I'll come check it in about 10 minutes. It's already 220 degrees, so it should heat up pretty fast. Says if you press start, you can preheat for multiple racks. I'll do that just to speed it up. So it says it hit 350. We had done calibration to get it to be 350. It was actually only 300 on the lower oven, but it came up to about 355. So then I recalibrated and took 5 degrees off, and I'm retesting. Let's see if it hit 350. We're using the analog thermometers. Yeah, so we're looking good. We're hitting 350 on all these guys, so that is dialed in perfectly. So this again is one that came right out of the factory. Just be aware you may have to calibrate yours, but it's easy to do. Just all done here with the keyboard. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. And now we have the upper and lower exactly at 350.